Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will share with you how I put the 3D Kissing boot box from Diva Designs together. And you can see both of the sort of sets that comes in this pack, and I cut them off camera so you can get an idea of how they will all look, and also to save some time in this video. In the bottom of this 3D boat there is sort of a box. You can definitely put something else in this box, or you can cut with a die so you have a larger opening. There's also a decorative piece for this top, but I didn't use it for today's project, but it's there if you like to use it. You can see I cut my box itself out of some pink colored cardstock that is double-sided, and I think that is really nice for a project like this because you will see on the inside a little bit, so the red will actually show through more maybe than the pink actually will in the end here. So you can see I'm just going around putting adhesive. I use liquid glue because that is my preferred medium to attach stuff together. But you can see that this comes together quite nicely and quite quick, and the box is going inside. So I decided before I put all of my sides together that I would put this box down in the middle, and then I could put some liquid adhesive here. I will actually fibble a little bit with this until I get it in the perfect position. You can see I just had it standing like this, and when I looked at it I thought it looked a little bit funny, so I just carefully deattached it and then pressed it back together again, so it was a perfect fit. Now we can go around and decorate all of the sides, and I decided to go ahead and cut my frame out of this wood textured paper, just to give that effect or illusion of sort of kissing boots. I think you can have this in pink or pattern paper or whatever. I just thought it would be cute to have this in more neutral colors that looked like wood. So that was the idea I was going for, but you can see the pretty pink and red tones inside, so it's definitely a pretty little box. And here you can see the sides are coming nicely together with the pattern paper as well. In this set there is a banner, so I off camera cut it in pink, and then I pulled out some pattern paper for the decorative pieces just with some hearts, and then I went around and just attached all of these small banners on top of the big banner here. I hope that makes sense. I will later on go back and put some red hearts on top of it as well. You can see in the top of my picture here I have this Hugs and Kiss. In the set there is another sentiment, but I wanted this larger piece to really be standing out and be the focal point for this kissing boot. So this comes from the Valentine's Word of 2026, and it's just adorable. It's also that same red cardstock, so it will really match each other. For embellishment, for the goodies inside of this, I just found some lip balms in my local grocery store that I thought would be perfect for these. Actually I bought one for each of my kids for Valentine's Day, but you can definitely have maybe some nail polish or some other lip glosses or some embellishment in here if you like, but I just wanted to share what I was planning on having inside of these. When I looked at it, I thought it would be nice if the back would be covered as well with a piece of that wood texture, so you really can see the goodies inside. So I just cut a panel to size. And for embellishing the back of my project, I cut the cute romantic heart out. Just adorable. I love this die set. I will have another video this month out with a card that I created with this one. So cute, I love it. And for the texture on the back, I took that kissing boot that comes in this 3D boat kissing boat die set and just had it there. For some more embellishment, I cut the banners, the XOXO banner, which is really cute, and out of some red glitter cardstock. You can see I also got some tiny hearts up in the screen, and those I got from that same romantic heart, and I will just put some red hearts on all of those banners. I thought that would be so cute. So that will be the finishing touches of this box. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something. I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and also my coupon code, which gives you 10% off your next purchase. So use that if you are planning on shopping any of the goodies that I showed in this video. Until next time, I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you soon. Bye!